So welcome everyone to this round of Beat the Teacher. Do you think you can beat the teacher today? Do you think so?
Yeah.
Are you confident?
Yes.
Okay, well let's find out, and if we spin the wheel, we'll find out the word that we're going to use today. Oh, so the wheel has stopped and today's word is big.
Wow.
So the idea is you have to use as many different words as you can in place of the word big, and if you can give a correct sentence using that word, you get a bonus point. Okay? So you're going to try and beat the teacher. Ladies first, if you can think of another word for big, press the buzzer. Go ahead. Large. Do you have a sentence?
I have a large house.
Oh, do you really? Okay, that's 2 points because good sentence as well. Must be my turn though. I have a huge overdraft at the bank on my credit card. So my word is huge. Okay, your turn. Do you have another word?
Giant.
Giant.
I have a giant dog.
I'm scared of dogs actually. What is it? An Alsatian. That's a giant dog. Okay, let me think. I have a substantial amount of work to do next week. My word is substantial. It means the same as big amount. Any more?
Important.
Important.
I have important meeting tomorrow.
Okay, that's a good one because I always think about big means big size, but big can also mean in English the same as important. So if you have an important meeting, it's a big meeting for you. It's very important for you. Definitely bonus point. Okay. Let me think. Oh. I have a sizable portfolio of shares. So a big amount of shares in Thailand. My portfolio is sizable. Sizable is another word for big. I think I'm going to win this. Do you have any more words?
I can't think about it.
You can't think about it? Okay, let me see if I can think of another word. So how about vast? Vast. There's a vast amount of condominiums for sale in Bangkok right now because vast is another word for big. Any more words?
Enormous.
Enormous.
Can you give me the sentence?
I have an enormous nose.
Oh,
Do you think?
I think so.
So do you have any more words that mean the same as big?
Yeah. Super.
Super.
Yeah, there
Okay.
is one supermarket near my home.
Supermarket. So a supermarket is like a big market. Yes,
Yes.
you get the bonus point for that. Well done. Any more words that mean big? Oh,
Major.
major. Okay. How about a sentence?
I want to go major Cineplex tonight.
Okay, major. So major means big, and that's why they call major Cineplex major. Okay, that makes sense to me. Is there anything else that you can use to demonstrate big?
I don't have. What about you?
Major Cineplex. Mega.
Oh.
Mega means very big, so when we go to Mega Bang Na, it's because it's a very big place. Yeah, so mega is my idea. Okay, well I think our time is up anyway. Thank you very much for playing in this game of Beat the Teacher.